Tired of cheap screen protectors peeling off and bubbling up just days after you put them on? First up, we have a solution for iPhone 16 owners who are tired of nosy onlookers reading their private messages. The OneFish Privacy Screen Protector solves this by using electroplated silkscreen technology that blocks side-angle viewing while keeping your screen clear from the front. It features a unique auto dust elimination installation bezel that automatically aligns and applies the glass bubble-free when you pull the tab. Built with 9H hardness and an oleophobic coating, it easily resists scratches from keys and keeps fingerprint smudges to a minimum. If you frequently travel on crowded subways or work in open offices, this is the perfect way to keep your personal data secure. Imagine sitting on a packed bus, texting freely without worrying about the person next to you reading every single word.
Next, at number 2, we are looking at a way to keep your classic iPhone SE or iPhone 8 screen completely shatterproof. The Unbreakable Screen Protector Pack solves the alignment struggle by including a dedicated installation frame that ensures a perfect fit every single time. It boasts double-strength 9H tempered glass that can survive drops from up to 6 feet, along with an ultra-thin design that maintains your original touch sensitivity. This kit is ideal for parents buying protection for their kids' phones, or anyone prone to drops who wants a multi-pack for backup. Picture accidentally dropping your phone onto concrete while getting out of your car, only to pick it up completely undamaged. Now for number 3, we have a premium shield designed to keep your high-end Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra looking brand new. The ZAGG InvisibleShield Glass Elite solves the issue of unsightly fingerprints using clear print technology, a surface treatment that makes oils virtually invisible. It is engineered with ultra-strong aluminosilicate glass and reinforced edges to prevent chips and cracks from everyday bumps. Plus, it is made with 30% recycled glass, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious tech users. If you want top-tier durability without sacrificing the sleek look of your premium device, this is the one to get. You can toss your phone into a cluttered backpack, knowing the keys and pins won't leave a single scratch.
Coming in at number 4, we have another excellent option for the iPhone SE and older models, but in a convenient 2-pack. This unbreakable set solves the frustration of annoying air bubbles and greasy smudges using auto-adsorption technology and a plasma oleophobic coating. The glass is incredibly thin at just 0.01 inches, ensuring your screen remains highly responsive and crystal clear. It is perfect for budget-conscious users who want maximum protection but do not need a full 3-pack. You will appreciate this when you are outdoor jogging in the heat, easily swiping through your workout playlist with sweaty hands without leaving any smear marks behind. And finally, number 5 is a heavy-duty shield built to protect a wide range of iPhone models from serious impact. The ZAGG Glass Plus solves the common issue of chipped corners and spreading cracks by incorporating reinforced edges and ion matrix technology. It delivers 3 times the shatter protection of an unprotected screen, while maintaining a seamless, original screen feel. The included Easy Apply tray makes alignment simple, preventing the crooked installations that ruin your phone's clean look. This is the go-to option for active outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone working on construction sites who needs maximum drop defense. You can confidently mount your phone to your bike handlebars, knowing it can survive a sudden tumble onto the trail. Make sure to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on these screen protectors today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments below which protector you are going to try, or what device you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.